Hey, mina iza Swaka Chauke aka YouTube channel Swaka Chauke TV. Hi ba mandla hi vuyelela ka vanhu hinkwavo lava nga subscribe aka YouTube channel Swaka Chauke TV. Namuntlha la ta vulavula swilo swimbirhi, la ta vulavula gig ya December ya Juwan Soul Makam, hi la ta vulavula hi album ya Daniel Brothers kumbe EP ya Daniel Brothers laha va nga feature vanhu va ku fana vo Cool B, va nga feature vanhu va ku fana vo Mthimbane na van'wanyana va ku tala. So mo hi sungula hi gig ya Juwan Soul Makam leyi nga ta va yi ri ka Mdavula Stadium aka Malamulele hi lembe ra 2025 ku ri December, ku ri ka Mdavula ndhawu kumbe tiko. Mi ta pfumelelana na mina ku ri Juwan Soul Makam i nqambi leyi nga na fan base kulukumba swinene. As much as we cannot actually compare his fan base with Benny Mayengani's fan base, but then Mzala Soul Makam una fan base linga loyal, una loyal fans. We have an evidence to say, should Soul Makam goes to birthday celebrations, we normally see his guys there, our loyal fans, with him wearing t-shirt as Soul Makam, like Uswo Kurban Lava organized, and they even give Soul Makam money. They even compensate for Soul Makam just to say we appreciate you as our artist, what kanjalo. So gig ya Soul Makam kota ku ri yin'wana ya tigig letikulu, because loko mo check out tinqambi leti nga laha Benny Mayengani va kona, loko wo checka, let me say, the influencer, almost each and every big influencer ka Gaza, vo Gaza Bosha na van'wana va ko as we speak. Okay, Soul Makam namuntlha ku nga ti 25 kumbe ti 25 ta September hi lembe ra 2025 u vi a posta communication ya yena na Majojo ka WhatsApp la Majojo kumbe Soul Makam nga approach Majojo a ku ri u la ku n'wi buka, so nga n'wi buka hi mali muni, ivi Majojo xiku xi lava 40,000. So ivi Soul Makam a va na ku hlamala ku ri 40,000 is a lot of money, wo yo release album na kumbe na yo release na kumbe like swin'wana swa ku yelana sweswo. So ku na vanhu va ku tala lava va twisisaka ku lava believaku ka mavunwa lamaya ma WhatsApp leyi nga postiwa hi Juwan Soul Makam. It's a way of promoting the gig. It's a way of talking about the gig so that we can talk about the gig even ourselves. So loko Dman ava kha a create swilo swa ku fana leswi ya Soul Makam, u lata ku hi nga rivali ku tsundzuxa vanhu ku ri gig yi le ku teni and gig is serious, because a ku ri na vanhu vo tala va kha ku ye Majojo u pfaleliwa handle, Majojo a nga vitaniwanga, and vanhu vo tala va tsandza ku twisisa ku ri laha ku nga na Majojo ku na Juwan Soul Makam. And Majojo di behind Soul Makam hi ndlela yin'wana serious ngopfu, di supporta Juwan Soul Makam hi ndlela yin'wana ku ya serious ngopfu. Loko Soul Makam o fika ka gig la fika endla 30,000, swi nga endla ka Majojo xi va xi ri na share yo karhi kumbe mali leyi yi n'wi pfuna hi ndlela yin'wana yo karhi kokwalaya. So a humeni ka sweswo, Daniel Brothers va humesi album, va humesi EP, but unhappy mhaka maendlelo ma Mthimbane. Va feature Mthimbane ka ngoma yin'wana ya Rirhandzu, which is fine. I think it's track number 2. Loko ni checka ka iTunes, ka Google iTunes or aka track list yabo, something like that, ngoma leyi va la ku marhandzu. So a na zangi lata ku landzelela ngopfu because ni twini khunguvanyisa hi mhaka ku risimu rin'wana na rin'wana leri nga ra rirhandzu a hi ri hlonipha hi ti-emotions, hi ri hlonipha hi ku, like it cannot diss anyone, like it cannot be ku ri a ri beef munhu risimu ra rirhandzu ri endla ku na loko u tshamini kumbe xana loko u ri tlanga u ri yingisela u hleketa munhu loyi u rhandzanaka na yena, kumbe u hleketa ex ya wena loko ri ku ex ya wena, or u hleketa munhu wo karhi loyi u n'wi rhandzanaka na yena kumbe loyi u nga tshama u rhandza na yena. But then Mthimbane wa huhula Mthimbani u le ku huleni u fika a hlasela vugagashi u le ku bifeteleni ka vanhu ka risimu leriya. For what reason? Like, I mean, uza u bifa u onhaka, beefing ku onha mihleketo, uza u bifa na laha swi nga fanelangiki. It's unfair. And this is what we need to address Mthimbani. Mthimbani is a talented guy, but u bifa njhani aka love song? Even na vona Daniel Brothers va tlhela va pfumela sweswo ka EP ya vona. Mthimbani wa nghena a fika a bifa a vheta ona context ya risimu leriya. So according to me, Mthimbani must be called into order to say, Chief, we understand very much that you like dissing people, which is fine, and it's very much interesting, but then in a love song you cannot do that, because so on a mongo context ya risimu leriya. No, Mthimbani on Swabani Mthimbani la. I think Mthimbani here must be addressed. Mthimbani must correct that. Even if we can say I haven't chumna hina, even chum and all those things, but then you can't receive emotions. You could honor the emotions. The emotions like ubana that thing ya nihleketa munhu karhi kumbe le marandzwini and all those kind of things. No. I'm sorry tan moni msiya kwalani, but EP kahle ya Daniel Brothers, but then nufkan sola la Mthimbani anga fika angena fika hlasela hlasela vanhu va ku tala bifa vanhu no no man give me my bedle and what. Hi ku ya mina swi as professional sweswo for Mthimbani.